So, okay, so you're doing 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3 on left. Alright, so on right you're doing 6 to 7, 6 to 7 to 1. So together it goes. So instead of sitting on 4, what can you do? Nothing possible, nothing impossible. Instead of sitting like that, you do this. Nothing impossible. Right, before going. What can't you do the second time? Right then, alright. What can't you do? So that's the diminished movement I showed you that time. So, what can't you do? What can't you do? In the key of F, that's going to go like this. What can't you do? What can you do? What did I skip? That's impossible. Nothing. Right, so that. So what this variable? The slow motion. Good. So now the diminished movement, I skip that. So what can't you do?